Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to create a black and white stencil of any photograph using Pixlr.com. Pixlr.com is a free website that you can use for different kinds of photo editing or drawing. Again, today I'm going to show you how to go from a full photo that's in color to black and white stencil. Okay, the first thing you'll need to do is search for Pixlr. Then you'll need to open an image. So I have a lot of images saved on my computer, but because we are doing famous people um, for our photo project, not now, images. Let's see, let's find someone with a good plain background. That would be funny. Let's try. Let's just go with Will Smith. Okay. So first I'm going to right click save image as. I'm going to save this on my desktop, Will Smith, so I can find it. Then come back and open image. Go to my desktop, Will Smith, open. Now, the first thing that you want to do is adjust the highlights and shadows. But first, under adjustment, there is auto black and white. Now we will adjust highlights and shadows. I'm going to bring my shadows up, my highlights up as well. I want those darks to be darks, like the dark to be black almost, and have hardly any middle tones. Apply. Now the last step is to adjust brightness and contrast. I'm going to move this little window so I can see his face better. Pull up the contrast all the way. Drop the brightness. Bring this up. You kind of have to play. Each image is a little bit different. Okay, and apply. So now when you are drawing this image, you will use the projector and draw a very clear line. You'll trace these lines for all of this positive space and all of the negative space shapes. And then I draw little X's inside of shapes that need to be solid black. Okay, awesome. Thanks for watching.